Going over gold futures. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We remain in negative MACD and we're slightly off of oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend that further to the 4-hour chart, we remain in negative MACD and we're seeing signs of it diverge once more, and we're at oversold condition with the RSI. As we extend that to the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD, seeing no signs of it converge there, and we're at oversold levels with the RSI. We continue to make lower lows and lower highs. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $156.70. My sell target for it is at $163.88, and my stop loss is at $153.52. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $164.54, and that is this range here, and that coincides with the 9-day moving average. My sell target is at $159.97, and my stop loss is at $167.88. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 67% chance to climb between 0 to 2.4%, a 17% chance to climb between 2.4 to 4.9%. To the downside, it has an 8% chance to fall between 0 to negative 2.4%, and an 8% chance to fall between negative 2.4 to negative 4.9%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.